What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and I'm doing another Sizzla, which is another favorite of our whole Hawaii, and not just me alone, is it? So, without further ado, guys, let's get into video and let's do this. Play tune.
I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Dry cry, even tears, even my heart cries. But who cares? Whose fault's no one but myself. Things do happen.
Yo, Sizzla the amount of woman me see her sing love song too. How much of them, bro? Play
Words can't explain. Beyond the human reasoning, joy mixed with pain. People would spend time just for us to separate. They don't want to see us reach nowhere. Oh girl, and you know I care. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you go, can't tell you to stay. Oh, just one of those days. Just one of those days. Am I too humble or ignorant? Things began to find nothing seems important. Oh, my girl had left me and gone. Doesn't want to see her.
Me know no for no man out there, no for thugs them out there when that song a drop in no man, I don't know say no in a thing with no girl in no man. Worse if the girl when gone and you hear that song and you no feel it though. You no stop wrong one like you no feel it, man. Play it you.
In another room, the essence of her beauty and the charm, the perfume still linger. Oh damn, remember girl, where we coming from? Oh, I'm the one to whom you belong. Oh yeah, girl, you keep me strong. You alone, no other one. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you to go, can't tell you to stay. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. It's looking to see you at my gate, listening to hear the phone.
Pause. Yeah, look for see her your gate. My you take she gone, bro. Your girl gone. How what you do her, Sizzla? What did you do, the young lady? Play.
Phone rings by the fireplace. Now somewhere out there is my girl. Now where can I find her in this world? Still not gonna break down, nor beside, even though I'm stressed up, fed up and feeling mad. I just can't do without her. Oh, just still a man got to try. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell her to go, can't tell her to stay. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Is this happening for real? Only if you know the vibes what I feel. Still trying to do my.
What Sizzla mean when you say can't tell her to go, can't tell her to stay? Like if the woman, I wonder if because she make up her mind this a time, I say she a cut. Yeah, say boy, me don't want you stay no, but me can't tell you what to do. If you want to go, me can't tell you to go. You have to make up your mind, you know, babes, you see me?
My best, and I still won't lose my interest, yeah. Margot, I love you so. Really hurt to see you go. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you go, can't tell you stay. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Oh, dry cry, even tears, even my heart cries. But who cares? Whose fault's no one but myself. Things do happen, words can't explain. Beyond the human reasoning, joy mixed with pain. People would spend time just for us to separate. Oh, they don't want for us to reach nowhere. Oh girl, you know I care. Oh, I.
The little part there, another song there, the line there. Where you go? People spend time just for us to separate. They don't want to see us reach nowhere. And girl, you know I care. That line there, I don't know if for some reason it does resonate with me away, you know. Because I know a lot of couples are going through that. You know, you probably a partner that you're with, not everybody agree with the partner that you're with, or the partner that you're married to, or the partner that you're dating, or the partner that you have kids with. But there's something about that person that you see that nobody else see. You understand? So please.
Does it have to be this way? Can't tell her to go, can't tell her to stay. Oh, just one of those days, just one of those days. Am I too humble or ignorant? Things began to fight, nothing seems important. Whoa, my girl not left me and gone. Should see her with you now, so well you know that's faithful. The essence of her beauty and the charm, her perfume still linger. Oh damn girl.
The only reason why I pause them video you know, because me can't just make the song play, so you see me. But I don't know if me did have it my way, me no bother hitch. Me just make the song play like radio station. You see me? Play it to you.
Remember where we're coming from. I'm the one.
Song done. So there you have it, guys. Sizzla, just dry cry. Me when I go say just one of those days. I don't know, say I saw some people know the title of the song. So like, comment, share, subscribe if you like the vibe. Drop suggestions in the comment below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the videos and so on. And me see you in the next video. Once again, it's your girl Anisha, and I am out.